Good morning, student. Today we are going to describe our second unit, structure of atoms. In previous unit, we have already learned the Dalton atomic theory of matter. According to Dalton atomic theory, matter are composed of extremely small particles. It is undividable, uncuttable, is called atom. But modern atomic theory, but atom also consists of small particles such as electron, proton, and neutron. It means atoms made up of small particles is called electron, proton, and neutron. This is main three particles of atom. It is also known as fundamental particle or subatomic particles. Now, first of all, first important particle of the atom is electron. Electron was discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson and is called cathode rays. These are the property of cathode rays, means nature of the cathode rays. The cathode rays always travel straight line. The cathode rays consist of material particles. When pedal wheel placed in cathode rays, the pedal wheel move. It is proof that cathode rays consist material particles. When in a object place between the cathode rays, the object form shadow. It means cathode rays travel always in a straight line. Third is the cathode rays deflected toward the positive charge. Therefore, it is negative charge and deflected to the positive charge. Fourth is in magnetic field, these are deflected in north direction. North direction actually positive direction. Therefore, these rays are negative charge rays, therefore deflected in north direction. Fifth point is the cathode rays affect the photographic plate. Sixth one is when they strike a thin metal foil, it get heated up. Thus, the cathode rays caused heating effect. That's clear. We can calculate the charge and mass of electron. The charge of electron is 6.02 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. The volume of charge upon mass is 1.75 into 10 to the power 11 coulomb kg. Then we calculate the mass of the electron, charge upon mass. After the calculation of the charge and charge upon mass, uh, we found that 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram, it is the mass of the electron. The mass of the electron is much smaller when compared to the mass of the hydrogen atom. It is 1 upon 1837 part of mass of hydrogen atom. Our second point is proton. Proton was discovered by Rutherford. It is also known as anode rays. Nature of anode rays, like electron, it is always travel in straight line. Second point is it is also consist by material particles. Third is anode rays deflected toward the negative charge. This is because it is positive charge rays, and it is origin a anode end. Therefore, it's called anode rays. So these are positive charge rays are deflected towards negative charge. In magnetic field, these are deflected in south direction. This is because south direction is negative charge direction. The magnetic field have positive charge, therefore these are deflect in south direction. And also we can calculate the charge and mass of proton. The charge of proton is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and value of charge upon mass is 9.58 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb kg. Mass of proton is equals to charge upon mass. We found that 1.67 into 10 minus 27 kilogram. It means 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram is the mass of the proton. The mass of the proton is approximate equal to the mass of the hydrogen atom.